Howdy kids. My name is Mr. Donut Monster Man and today I am going on an adventure. First I have to make a stop at Hillbilly Hole because I need to get some food. We are almost there. I can see it in the distance. I heard that they have the best donuts in the world. You may be saying, wait, is Mr. Donut Monster Man a cannibal? My answer to that question is yes. Yes, I am. Look, we seem to be pulling into Hillbilly Station.